Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open WhatsApp and then you're going to click on the profile icon at the bottom right. You'll be redirected to settings. Here, you're going to click on your profile at the top and then you'll be able to see your profile settings over here. So what you're going to do is click on edit. And then you'll be able to see some options for editing profile picture. First, understand the problem. WhatsApp automatically compresses images, which reduces quality. So the trick is to prepare your image correctly before uploading. So you gotta make sure that the ideal WhatsApp DP size is 500 x 500 pixels. So you gotta open your image and make sure that the image has 500 x 500 pixels. So once that image does fall under that criteria, you gotta click on choose photo and upload that image. And you gotta avoid zooming while uploading, because if you zoom in too much or keep image outside the frame, the pixels will be lost, and if you fit it properly, it will result in better quality. And that's basically how you can set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.